Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Tom, and I'm very happy to help you practice today. Today, we are talking about a very useful topic, taking a taxi. Imagine you're in a new city and you need to get to your hotel. First, let us learn how to call a taxi on the phone. You can start the conversation with a simple greeting. Hello, I would like to order a car to the central train station, please. The operator will usually ask for your current address and destination. Please tell them clearly where you are standing right now. I am at the main entrance of the Grand Shopping Mall. It is important to ask about the price before you start a journey. You can ask, how much will the ride cost to the Hilton Hotel? The operator tells you the price and the waiting time. Your taxi will arrive in about 5 minutes, sir. Look out for a yellow car with a number plate 45B. Remember to check the car number before you get inside. This helps you stay safe and choose the correct vehicle. Sometimes you can use a mobile application on your smartphone instead. Apps are great because you see the driver's location on a map. You just type your location and press the confirmation button. Then you wait outside on the street for your driver. Oh, I could see a yellow car coming this way. The license plate matches the information on my phone screen. I will open the door and speak to the driver. Good afternoon. Are you Alex, the driver for Tom? Yes, that is correct. Please come inside the car. Put your heavy bags in the back boot of the car. Thank you very much for your help with the luggage. Let us start our trip across the beautiful city center. Please listen carefully to the next part of our lesson. Great, we are inside the vehicle and ready to go. First, it is polite to say hello to your driver. Good afternoon. Thank you for picking me up so fast. The driver will usually confirm your destination to be sure. Are we going to the Central Park near the museum? Yes, that is the correct address for my meeting today. I have an important appointment there in 30 minutes. Is the traffic heavy in the city center today, sir? The driver says the roads are a bit busy this afternoon. Do not worry. We could take a faster route through the tunnel. That sounds perfect. Thank you for choosing the best way. Before the car starts moving, please remember your safety. You must always wear your seatbelt in the back seat. I'm putting my seatbelt on right this second. It is the law in many countries around the world. The driver asks if the temperature in the car is comfortable. Is the air conditioning too cold for you, sir? Actually, it is a little cold here in the back. Could you please turn down the air conditioning a bit? Yes, of course. I will make it warmer for you. Thank you. That is much better and more comfortable. Can we also play some quiet music during the ride? Sure, I can turn on a local radio station for us. I like listening to soft music when I travel by car. It helps me relax and enjoy the view outside the window. The weather is beautiful today and the sun is shining bright. We are moving smoothly down the main street of the city. Let's focus on the phrases for the journey itself. Pay attention to how we ask questions during the ride. Let's continue our English journey to the next scene. We are halfway to our destination near the Central Park. Sometimes you need to ask the driver a quick question. For example, you might want to know about the time. Excuse me, how long will it take to get there? The driver answers that we need about 10 more minutes. That is excellent, because I'm not in a big hurry. You can also ask about interesting places in the city. Do you know any good traditional restaurants near the park? Drivers usually know the best local places to eat food. Yes, there is a fantastic Italian cafe on the corner. They serve excellent pizza and fresh coffee every morning. Thank you for the recommendation. I will check it out. Oh, look. The traffic is stopping at a red light. There are many cars and buses on the road today. Is there an accident ahead? Or is this regular traffic? It is just the usual rush hour in this neighborhood. Okay, I understand. Thank you for explaining that to me. If you feel sick, you should always tell your driver. Could you please open the window for some fresh air? Yes, I can open a little bit for you. The fresh air makes me feel much better during the trip. It is always good to communicate your needs clearly in English. Do not be afraid to speak to your taxi driver. Most drivers are very friendly and love talking to tourists. It is a great chance for you to practice speaking. We are turning left onto a very wide and beautiful street. I can see the tall green trees of the park ahead. We are arriving at our destination very soon indeed. In the next section, we will talk about stopping the car. Let us move forward to learn more useful expressions. Sometimes your plans change suddenly during a taxi ride. You might need to stop at a different place first. Let us practice how to change your destination politely. Excuse me, can we make a quick stop at the bank? I need to get some cash from the ATM machine. The driver agrees and looks for a safe parking spot. No problem. There's a bank right on the next corner. I can wait for you there for 2 minutes, sir. Thank you. That is very kind of you to help. Please keep the meter running while I step outside quickly. I run to the bank and get my paper money. I come back to the car and close the door. Thank you for waiting. We can go to the park. You can also give the driver specific directions if needed. Please turn right at the next traffic lights over there. Go straight for 200 meters past the supermarket. The entrance to the park is on the left side. I see it clearly. I will drop you off there. Perfect. You're doing a wonderful job with the directions. Learning words like right, left, and straight is very important. These simple words help you guide any driver in English. The car is slowing down near the main park gates. This is exactly where I need to meet my friends. We are preparing to end our taxi ride very successfully. Next, we will discuss how to pay for the journey. Payment can sometimes be tricky in a foreign country, but with these phrases, you will feel very confident. Let's listen to the conversation about the money. Stay with me for the next 20 useful phrases. Here is how we finish the trip and pay. The taxi has stopped safely at the side of the road. Now it is time to pay the driver for the service. You need to ask for the final price of the trip. How much is the total fare on the meter? Please? The driver looks at the screen and gives the price. The total price for the ride is $15, sir. You can choose to pay with cash or a card. Do you accept credit cards or only cash payments? I accept both. You can tap your card on the machine. That is very convenient because I do not have coins. I will use my Visa card to pay for this. Please wait a moment while the machine processes the payment. The machine makes a beep sound and it is successful. If you like the service, you can give a tip. A tip is extra money to show your big appreciation. You can say, "Keep the change. Thank you very much." Or you can add a small amount to the bill. Here is an extra $2 for your excellent driving. The driver is very happy and smiles at me warmly. Thank you so much, sir. Have a wonderful day today. It is always important to ask for a receipt sometimes. Could I please have a receipt for my business company? Yes. Here is your paper receipt from the printer. I put the receipt safely inside my leather wallet. Paying for a taxi is simple when you know the words. Always check your wallet and phone before leaving the car. People often forget their personal items in the back seat. Make sure you have everything in your jacket pockets. We have one more scene left in our podcast lesson. Let's look at how to say goodbye properly. We are at the very end of our taxi journey. My bags are still in the back of the car. I need to ask the driver to open the boot. Could you please unlock the luggage compartment for me? Yes. I will open it from the inside right away. I step out of the car onto the clean pavement. I walk to the back and take my heavy suitcase. Everything is here, and nothing is left behind inside. I close the back door of the car gently. It is polite to wish the driver a good day. Thank you for the safe ride and the pleasant conversation. Have a safe journey on your next trips today. You too. Enjoy your time at the Central Park. The taxi drives away slowly into the city traffic. I feel great because I used my English successfully today. Taking a taxi is not scary when you practice beforehand. Let us review the most important steps we learned today. First, you order a car and give your address. Second, you check the car and greet the driver. Third, you sit down and put on your seatbelt. Fourth, you talk about the directions and the weather. Fifth, you ask for the price and pay safely. Finally, you take your luggage and say a warm goodbye. Practice these simple phrases every day to speak better. You can listen to this podcast while walking or cooking. Repetition is the secret key to learning a new language. Thank you so much for listening to my English lesson. You did a fantastic job focusing on these dialogues. My name is Tom, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye, and have a beautiful day learning English.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.